Seo cantar beag tíomh mucha Khartoum. Tá muid fósan san cahar ach tá muid ins na outskirts mar is erha. Lá mór an seo in san cantar seo mar tá chamórtas omar scála siúil Wrestling Championships. Agus sin an sport is mó tá sa tír seo.
Asan si lang hin.
Roscoe will take it agad. Hey, shukran, be ana Irlandi. كيف الحال؟ Epa. Roscoe will take it agad. Terrace Jock, Ross. كيف الحال؟ Salam alaikum. Thank you for the welcome. So shut in Rod Roscoe Fair. Níl sé tosnú go fóil. Tá sé de teachtas teach. Tá hart ar cúpla céadach go bháin. Níl sé plód go fólach fan go bheici tú. Seo é an sport tradiisiúnta. Seo é sport na nghoine. Seo nuba wrestling. Khartoum Sudan style. Hey, fecha seo, bhí muidir cuirta siachan. Agus tá siachan ré, tá muid san VIP seats, Roscoe. Front row, Ticketmaster, Khartoum style. Fecha seo. An lad sa dearg, tá seisní geanas ar gachúil an seo. Caithimé hello rála na daoine. Salam alaikum, كيف الحال؟ كيف الحال؟ Salam alaikum. اسمي هيكتور. أنا ده إيرلندي. إيرلندي، شكراً. All right, Sudan, شكراً Sudan. كيف حالك؟ السلام عليكم. إيرلنديا, we love the boom boom boom. Yeah. We love the boom boom boom. شكراً. شكراً. كيف حالك؟ السلام عليكم. كيف حال؟ أنا دي إيرلندي. اسمي هيكتور. قناة تلفزيون إيرلندي. We are happy to be here in Sudan. شكراً. كيف حال؟ Testosterone.
Have a seat here.
Lovely. Roscoe Fair. شكراً.
Oh, fine.
اسمك منو?
Luis.
Luis.
Casano.
It's me, Hector.
Hector. Oh.
Sit, please sit, my friend. I bought these tickets earlier. Yeah. Nice, Biggie.
Yeah, man. Nice. Very nice.
Nice, Big Zah. Can you tell me the basic rules?
Okay, the basic is actually like the people, they fight one by one or one-on-one. And the winner counted by if someone grab the other one and beat him on the floor.
And can you punch? Can you use elbow?
That's against the laws of the wrestling. You only use your hands to get your
Only the body strength, like judo, like a judo.
like judo, exactly. Only use the body to finish your enemy. It's very ancient sport. It goes back to 2300 BC. Wow. It was invented by the Nubian knights back in the day, in the history, yes.
The blue guy got it.
Yeah, the blue guy, yeah.
Ronaldo, look. Do you love this wrestling?
Yeah, I love it so much. It's my culture. It's one of the most popular sports in Sudan, actually. If you are good Nuba wrestling, you can make big money, getting bigger and bigger.
Tá na lad seo mór, tá siad physical, tá siad ard, ach tá láideach do chreid acu.
I started wrestling since 10 years old. Now my life is depending on wrestling because when I fight, people pay money to me in order to build my life. And this is what I can say, it is a benefit that I get through wrestling. Wherever I go, people know me. Oh, that is Daniel Bryan, the guy who fight in the rings. The way that they are proud of me is beyond description. The feelings that I feel, I am about to fly. When people cries, I am about to fly. Because of what I am doing in the ring is the best. And this is what people like.
An fear seo hé sé bhuachant agus frab gachtain as bhí scradíil ar siúil. Bhí American... Well done. Wow. Fake ar a gula stock and eisiau fáil aireach don Malmini. Fake arrogant. Well done. Tá sé hart, Carrick na sé, tá numar scoil fád hart, tá na páistí riisteach, Díreach ar nó since the Park Tyson, no Pierce Stadium, hééis an cléir, na rihin na páistí ar fád isteach in an Park, leis an Cumán agus an Slitter, tá sé hart an seo. So seo é, deir leis an Nuba Wrestling, an seo, Team Rica Cartoon.